I have a Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids tablet here, and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Basically, the display just won't turn on. However, you know that the tablet is on, maybe because, take note that this one here is fixed, but what you can do is press and hold the power button. Just press it one time, and then press and hold. And then you should hear that when this here pops up. Even though you have a black screen, you can't see that. Another way is if you take a screenshot, if you hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time, press and hold. Oop, do it again, press and hold. You take a screenshot, you'll be able to hear that. What else you can do too, if you want to know if your tablet is on or not, you can also plug it in. You can plug it in, you should hear that little ding, okay? Anyway, so your issue is black screen, it just won't turn on. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running. By the end of this video, at least 70% of you guys should be up and running, okay? So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take out the tablet out of the case here. So go ahead and pry that out. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and force it to turn off, and then we're going to turn it back on, okay? So the power button is right here. What you need to do is press and hold this power button, and just keep holding it for about 15 seconds, and then you can let go. It's going to turn it off. So we'll do it together, okay? So, but mine's working here, but 15 seconds. Ready, set, power button, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm still holding here. Just keep on holding to like 15 seconds. Actually 13 seconds, but just wait for 15 seconds just in case, okay? So about 15. So mine is about off now. So mine is totally off here. Okay, now what we're going to do is just turn it back on. So press and hold this power button. Just press and hold it. Just keep holding for like 5-6 seconds. Wait till you see the Amazon logo here pop up, or you hear the sound. Okay, go ahead and let go. And hopefully, once this boots back up, you guys no longer have a black screen issue. If you still do, step number 2 we're going to go to. Okay, for step number 2 is, first thing I want you to do is, the power button is right here, and you have volume rockers here. What I want you to do is spam both of these buttons, all of them. Volume up, volume down, power. Just keep on going crazy. Because what happens is one of the buttons could be stuck, jammed, maybe you got coffee, hand lotion, maybe there's lint, debris in there. But just keep spamming it. Now, next thing is go ahead and plug in your power cable. And now it's charging, okay? Now go ahead and leave the power cable in there, and again, pretend my screen is totally black. I have no idea what's going on. Power button here. Now we're going to press and hold this power button for 15 seconds, and it's going to turn it off. Okay, so we'll do it together. Power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Do not let go. Pretend my screen is black here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding onto this power button, waiting for 15 seconds until it's totally turned off. So keep on holding, and just count to 15 in your head slowly. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go, and it should be off. Now, while it's still charging, it's still plugged in, now we're going to turn it back on. Press and hold this power button, ready to go. Press and hold, do not let go until you see the Amazon logo appear or you hear that little sound. Still holding. There's the Amazon logo. You can go ahead and let go. There is no sound when actually it's plugged in, okay? Anyway, once this boots back up, hopefully you guys now have a working tablet. If not, we're going to go to option number 3. Okay, so next option, we can go ahead and unplug it. Now what we're going to do is what I call the massage method. We're going to massage the tablet, okay? So you can go ahead and get like a cloth or a towel or something like that. But basically what we're going to do is hold the tablet like this, and you're going to use your thumbs and you're going to press in all over on the screen and all over on the back as well. A lot of times when you're actually doing it, and the reason why you're doing it is because maybe something got dislodged inside, and a lot of times massaging it actually pops it in place. Sometimes you hear a little click. Sometimes as you're massaging, the screen will turn on. You might get like white lines, or half the screen might pop on. Anyway, let's just pretend to have a black screen here, and we're going to go ahead and massage it. So hold it like this and press in the screen like this all over, okay? Just keep on going. Press, press, press all over. Keep on pressing, and like I said, sometimes you're pressing here, you might hear a little click, or as you're pressing, all of a sudden your screen might pop on, and then you're good to go, or maybe half the screen, or you might get like a bunch of lines, but just keep on pressing. Okay, screen is still black here, no problem. Let me turn it back. Let me turn it over here, and the same thing on the back. Okay, you want to go ahead and press your thumb in. Okay, give it like a nice massage. Press everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Just keep on going all over, even around here, around the camera lens, all over, on the sides, everything. Turn it over, still not on. Sometimes as soon as you turn it over, it pops, it's already on and you're good to go. Anyway, still black screen, and from here, same thing. Power button is here. Remember, press and hold this power button and continue to hold for 15 seconds, then let go and you basically turn it off, and then turn it back on. Press and hold this. Just keep on holding until you see the Amazon logo, or just keep on holding it for like 5-6 seconds, okay? And hopefully you're back up and running now. If not, we're going to go to the next possible solution here. So the next solution here is what I call the tapping method. Why? Because you're going to tap the tablet. Pretty much the same thing we did with the massage. Okay, so we're going to use 2 fingers, and we're going to hold the tablet out like this, and we're going to use 2 fingers and tap all over the screen and all over the back. Okay, so just keep on doing like this. Again, the screen might pop on, half of it might pop on. You might get some like white lines. It may blink and turn back off. Or you can keep on doing this and boom, it's on and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, anyway, okay, nothing happened. Let me turn it over, do the same thing on the back. Give it some nice wax. Keep on going. Turn it over, not on. Okay, from here again, remember, press and hold that power button. Count to 15 seconds, then let go. Then you want to go ahead and turn it back on. Press and hold this, and press and hold it for 5 or 6 seconds, and then hopefully you boot back up and you have a working screen. If not, we're going to go to the next possible method. So the next possible method here is what I call the smack method. Why? Because we're going to smack the tablet. Same thing as the previous 2 steps. Basically, we're going to go ahead and smack the screen as well as the back, okay? So what you can do is go ahead and grab the tablet, and we'll start off on the screen. So just hold your palm out like this. Go ahead and grab the tab, and then you want to all over, kind of look at it. Is it blinking? Did it come on? Is it flash? No, still black. And also, don't forget, you want to get the bottom of the screen too. All right, just be careful you don't break it. I'm not responsible if anything happens, all right? So just keep doing that. Look over, okay, it's still black. Then we want to do the back side. Do the back side. All over the back side. Also on the bottom of the back side. And then look on your screen. Hopefully it's on. Or if it's not, no problem. Do the same thing again now. The power button is here. Press and hold the power button. And do not let go. Wait for 15 seconds, then let go. And then it's turned off totally. Then you want to turn it back on. Press and hold that power button for 5 or 6 seconds. Just keep holding it till it turns back on. And now hopefully you are up and running. And if you're not, we're going to go to the next possible solution. So the next possible solution is what I call the freezer method. Why? Because you're going to put it in the freezer. So what I want you to do is with your tablet just like this, I want you to go to your freezer. The freezer is the colder part of your refrigerator for those of you that live in like certain countries, okay? So you want to go ahead and put this into the freezer, and you want to leave it there for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to grab your nice ice cold tablet, and we want to do the same thing. Press and hold that power button. Keep on holding for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. It just turned off. Now we want to turn it back on. Press and hold for like 5 or 6 seconds and wait for it to turn back on, and hopefully you now have a working screen. Now the thing is, if you went through all of these steps and you're still down, then what I would suggest is start from the very beginning. Step number 1. Try step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go all the way down, all the way to the freezer method again. If it didn't work, try it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Try it up to 7 times, okay? Anyway, like I said, I'm going to guess maybe 70%, maybe 75% of you guys should have a working tablet. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up and let me know, or let us know which option worked for you. And if it didn't work for you, give it a thumbs down so we can we should see a 70-75% like ratio, okay? Good luck, guys.